Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the surface ready. Step under warm water and wet thoroughly. Once done, dispense 1-2 pumps or about 1/2 teaspoon of Palmolive into your palm. Make sure to lather it into a foam in your hands or on a loofah, because that concentrates the fragrance and surfactants for better cleaning. This reduces waste and avoids overuse. Then move the lather to your skin, starting at your shoulders and working downwards to cover larger areas efficiently. You now focus on technique. Use circular motions and spend roughly 20-30 seconds on each body area to remove oils and dirt effectively. Once done with one section, rinse your loofah occasionally to prevent redepositing grime. Make sure to relather if the foam thins. If you encounter dry patches, apply gentle pressure and a little extra gel only there. Also, make sure to avoid sensitive areas and keep movements controlled so the product clean. You complete the routine by rinsing thoroughly with warm to cool water until the foam is gone. This prevents sticky residue. Once rinsed, pat your skin dry rather than rubbing to preserve hydration, and apply a moisturizer within 2 minutes to lock in moisture. If you notice irritation, rinse immediately and consider diluting the gel 1 to 3 with water on your next use. If problems persist, stop using the product and consult a professional. That final care step keeps skin balanced and comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.